Call First Republic at 718-380-0006 and eliminate the middleman.
Guess what, folks? You have the ability to do it now. We don't know what's going to happen a week from now, 2 weeks from now, a month from now. And you know what? You might continue to wait, and something happens or something dramatic happens to you, and you might not have the opportunity to refinance at that time, and you're going to really regret it. But the truth is that First Republic, we're here. We're working with you. We want to make it a possibility. We've got the rates. We've got 5.5% for a 30-year fixed mortgage. We are doing absolutely everything that we can do on our part. What you have to do is take the initiative now and call us in here live in the studio. Speak to me, my team, off the air, confidentially, and we'll go through your situation and see how we can help you. We've been helping tons of people that have been denied from other lenders and other institutions, and we're able to help them. So don't feel that there is no help for you if you've been denied before. Give us a try. We've got tons and tons of program. We still have, and the biggest help that we have is that FHA program. Squeeze. It's helped so many people to refinance and get out of a tough situation. And we continue to push that because it really is helpful. And we always say, they can have past credit problems. We understand that. We look at your entire profile. But folks, the thing that I really want to stress to you today is that you hold your faith. Not me, not Squeeze, not the government. A lot of people are thinking, the government is going to bail everyone out. They're going to help everybody. I'm going to wait and see what they come out with for homeowners. Now, don't get me wrong. They're working on things. But you do not want to be one of those people that just sits there and waits. And then when nothing could be done to help you, you're going to, might lose your house. And what we're here trying to do is save you from that. So what you need to do is when you get the chance, what you need to do right now, I should say, is pick up the phone and call 718-652-6200.
Right now.
And find out how your situation can be changed.
Yep, that's definitely true. Once again, folks, First Republic Mortgage Bankers with Rajan in the studios and also there at First Republic. Give a ring now and get some help with your real estate financing needs. The number happens to be 718-652-6200. Let's go to line 2, Rajan. I think you and I need to speak with someone because we've been doing a lot of talk all afternoon. I've not spoken with any true success stories. And I think it's about time that we speak with someone who have used First Republic Mortgage Bankers and find out how they felt about using First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Let's go to this line right here. Jerry, how you doing?
I'm all right. How you doing?
I'm all right. So, Jerry, where are you calling me from?
Queens Village.
Queens Village, New York. That's in Queens County. Now, you obviously used First Republic Mortgage Bankers with the loan officer, Rajan.
Yes.
First things first. How did you find out about this great bank, First Republic Mortgage Bankers?
Well, funny enough, I was driving home one day from work 2 weeks ago, and I was listening to the radio, sir, and Rajan was talking, and I like what he said and how he sounded, so I called the radio station. They transferred me to him, gave him all my information, and that day I met him and started it from there.
Wow, wonderful, man. Where are you from original, Jerry?
Haiti.
You're from Haiti.
Yeah.
Did I say that right?
All right, yeah.
Okay. All right. We got a lot of Haitian listeners tuning into the radio program, man, and we've got some Haitian employees at First Republic Mortgage Bankers, and I'm very happy that you're in tune to Link Up Radio with yours truly, Squeeze, and now with Rajan, helping people like yourself. Now, why did you go see First Republic? Was it to buy a home? Was it to refinance? Were you in a little bit of a tidbit of an issue, and you decided to sort it out? What was it?
To buy a home.
To buy a home. And
yes.
You and I know for a fact, with all the news out there, that the prices on homes are just way down now. It's a great time to buy homes, right?
Yes, it is.
Talk to me a little bit about your transaction with using First Republic Mortgage Bankers and Rajan, the loan officer, before we even give out the number again, for people like yourself to get some more help.
Well, what happened was I went to one company, another bank, and they originally pre-approved me, but when I tried to go, when it was time for all the paperwork to be said and done, they couldn't get me a PMI, and I couldn't get there, so I was declined, and I was disappointed. Sure enough, that day I listened to Force Republic. I listened to you guys on the radio and heard about it, so called Raj.
Wow. Rajan, can you expand on that?
Well, yes, definitely. You know, I met with Jerry the same day, him and his wife,
188.
and we met with each other, sat down. They brought all the paperwork. We went over everything, and I said to Jerry, I think it was about maybe 10 minutes, and you know, I said to Jerry, I said, listen, man, I think we can help you out with an FHA loan. And he says, okay, well, explain to me a little bit about it. And I said, well, all you really need is 3% down. Your income is great. You and your wife, your income are great. Your credit scores are fine. And we could get this loan for you, you know. And he says, you got to be kidding me. I said, hold on a second. Took all his information, went, put it through FHA's automated system, and we had an automated approval right there within 10 minutes. I
Wow.
said to Jerry, I said, listen, right now you're about 90% approved for your loan. All we have to do is just match all the information that was provided, and once we do all the verifications and everything, that's it. Your loan is approved. He says, you got to be kidding me. You can't be serious. I said, yes. And in about 2 weeks, we worked together. He got me what I needed, and in 2 weeks, he was able to go to closing. In 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Wow.
And it's a great thing. And like he said earlier, and this is something that we focus on, and I admire him for being persistent, because, you know, a lot of us, when we get declined or denied, we think that's it. Especially, it was a major entity that he was working with. And, you know, they denied him. And I'm glad that he heard us and he took advantage of calling us live in the studio. And he came in, and now 2 weeks later, he's a proud homeowner.
That's very good, man. And it sounds like he's a family man also. You mentioned his wife. You're a family man, right, Jerry?
Yeah, yes, I am.
Doesn't it feel good to know that you are providing a roof for your family, man?
Yes, I am.
It's a beautiful thing, man. And the fact that we all come from the Caribbean, you know, we know that we need to have our home here. We need to be grounded here. And now you are truly grounded by the help of First Republic Mortgage Bankers financially. Jerry, I just want to say thanks a lot, man. Go on.
I just wanted to ask him one quick thing. Let me ask you, because sometimes, Jerry, this is talked about so many times when people are purchasing, right? The fact that interest rates change sometimes, correct?
Yes.
And let me ask you a question. When you came in and we sat down, I told you a particular interest rate, which was 6.5%, correct?
Yes, it
Okay.
was.
Did that rate ever change, or
Nope.
did I tell you, were you locked in from the beginning, from day one when we sat down?
As soon as I sat down, you gave me the first pre-approval papers. 6 points. That's it. 6.5.
That's it. And when you went to closing, that was what it was, right?
6.5.
And
Yep.
Squeeze, one more thing. It was so funny because his attorney says to me, she wanted to meet me, and she said, Rajan, you know, it's a pleasure meeting you. And she's like, you know, she's had so many problems with other companies, and she's like, I appreciate and I was happy with the way your company handled everything through the process. And she said it was really a pleasure, and even the realtor said it was a pleasure working with the entire company. And that made me feel good as an employee, and as also someone that was working, you know, as the mortgage officer also. And it was a great thing to know that, you know what, we can work and help someone get them into their house and have an affordable payment. And it was just great.
Definitely.
And that's it. The whole staff was great. They called me basically every day. I was calling them every day, and they got me everything they requested. I got it to them the same day, and they was able to do everything real quick. I thank you, Rajan. You helped me.
Okay, beautiful. Jerry, man, thanks a lot, man, for tuning in. And it's something that we do here at Lincoln Radio, is to show people that we're a very diverse radio program, and also it's First Republic Mortgage Bankers. As I've always said, it's like the United Nations over there. They're helping so many different people of so many different ethnic makeup and background. Thanks a lot for choosing First Republic Mortgage Bankers and also choosing Link Up Radio to listen to.
All right, thank you, guys. And Rajan, thank you. Enjoy your holidays.
Hey, you too. Take care now, Jerry.
Thanks, Jerry. Once again, folks, Rajan, the loan officer from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Would you like to get some help like Jerry? And pretty much it is the same kind of service that you provide when it comes to refinancing also, isn't it, Rajan?
Of course.
You know, and we must remind these people that they can call now. Here's the number, 718-652-6200. I am actually going to help Rajan to take some of the calls. People might have questions that they might want to even ask me prior to speaking with Rajan. But remember, folks, they are truly the leaders in the industry and giving it the lowest possible rate for purchasing and refinancing. There's so many people out there with credit card bills. I need for you to get rid of those things, especially before Black Friday comes about.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.